welcome back to my channel. It is currently 5 in the morning. I will show y'all, but I'm recording on my phone, and I know y'all are probably wondering, why are you recording on your phone if you have a camera? Y'all, I gotta find my little SD card thing to transfer the footage from my camera to my iPad. So until I can find that, I'm gonna be recording on my phone, okay? Thank you. The reason I'm up so early is because for the past 4 months, I have not been having a proper sleep schedule, y'all. I have been going to bed at like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's starting to like mess me up. Like, as y'all can see, I have black eyes, I have like scars and stuff on my face. Like, it's starting to mess me up, and it's just like I don't have anything else to do during the day except for take the kids to school in the morning, pick them up in the afternoon, and then I have physical therapy. And I've been trying to find like a little part-time job, but baby, it's difficult. Everybody wants you to work full-time, and then the part-time hours, this full-time hours. So girl, yeah, so I just drop the kids off, go to therapy, come home, go to sleep until it's time to pick them up, and that's starting to mess me up a little bit. So I'm up right now, and I decided I was just gonna pull an all-nighter and then stay up all day and then go to bed at like 7:30, 8 o'clock when the kids go to bed, and hopefully, praying, fingers crossed, that puts me back on a good nighttime schedule. I'm about to get up, I'm about to go do some things, like get myself together. I'm trying to start like a morning routine. I don't know how to explain it to y'all, but I'm trying to start a morning routine. So I'm going to do some content for TikTok. I made a new TikTok account, a secret account. I'm not gonna share with y'all though, but I'm about to make some like a little bit of TikTok content a little bit, and then yeah, I'll come back and talk to y'all in a little while, okay? Hey y'all, so I was able to do my morning routine, which I got a little bit of footage for y'all, so I'm gonna insert that in the beginning. I was able to get Michael's hair done and make sure Zaire's blanket for nap time is put in his backpack. Now we're just waiting to leave. That's about it. Hey Micah, come see. Y'all, I just did like a quick little hairstyle on her, so I don't know what y'all think. Back up, why you so close? Y'all think it's cute or no? Yay or nay? You like it, Micah? Are you just saying that because I asked, or do you really like it? And look it. Okay. Go put some lotion on your face and some Vaseline. So, yeah, the morning is pretty slow. I'm about to take them to school, and then I'm about to come home, take a shower and stuff, get ready for physical therapy. I'm gonna take y'all as far as I can take y'all for physical therapy, but for the most part, physical therapy, I can't record inside, so I can't really take y'all. If y'all are wondering why I'm doing like a regular vlog, I do have subscribers that were here before my new wave of subscribers, so I still have to cater to them. Okay, they love my vlogs, so I'm going to continue to do my vlogs just for them. And then my cleaning content, I will continue to do that for y'all as well, because I do have some stuff. My house has accumulated a little mess over the weekend, so we're gonna clean that up today. And I'm gonna try my best to like get everything pushed out this week. Y'all, I bought some flowers last week and they're already dying. Well, I think one of them died because somebody like knocked it over, like broke it on purpose. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little while. We're about to get ready to go, so yeah, peace.